Hello girls, in today's video let me show you two types of blush which you can opt for, and let me show you how to apply same. So the first one which I'm going to show you is the typical cream blush. Mine is from Kiko Milano and I have been using it like since ages, and now only this much is left. And another one I'll show you will be a lip and cheek tint. Mine is from Earth Rhythm. So let's quickly start. If you see this cream blush, it's a very subtle shade, and when I apply it, it's one layer, doesn't create any difference. So I have to keep building up layers, gradually on my cheek. But after a few strokes, if you can see, see there's a very subtle glow, like a dewy look on my cheek. Okay, but with a lip and cheek tint, even a little bit of product, just see this much, goes a long way, because they are highly pigmented, and there are many shade options available in it. I actually picked up a dark shade because I'm the person who likes pop of color on my cheek, but see how quickly it blends and it looks great. Just see, that's the type of blush I love. And if you are the person who likes subtle look, can go for a cream blush. If you really like the deep tint, then go for the lip and cheek tint. How did you find my video? Do let me know. Bye bye, take care, love you.